Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create QR code in Canva. Alright, so let's begin. Once you're on the Canva website, click on create at the top left corner. From here, search for logo and then select the logo design to open the Canva editor. Now, once you're inside the editor, look at the left hand side and click on apps. In the apps search bar, search for QR. After searching, you'll see several different QR code options. From these options, select the simple QR code app and then click on the open button to access it. Once the QR code app is open, you need to enter the URL that you want to use for your QR code. For this tutorial, I'm going to use my YouTube channel URL. So I'll open my YouTube channel, copy the channel URL and then paste it into the QR code field. After that, simply click on the generate QR code button. As you can see, the QR code has now been successfully generated and added to our design. You can easily resize the QR code and position it anywhere you want on your design. Once you're satisfied with the size and placement, click on the share button at the top right corner. From here, select download, choose your preferred file format if necessary, and then download your QR code to your computer. And that's it. So that's basically how you can create QR code in Canva. So that's all for this video.